Hello everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. It is a very cold and rainy Saturday. Just gotten dressed. This is my cozy outfit of the day. I've got on some boots. These are from Zara, but they're from last year. I've also got this very cozy sweater on. This is from Nasty Gal. This jacket is from Zara, and then my bag is Chanel, and my jeans are Good American. So I feel very warm and cozy in this outfit today. So we have some errands to run today. We have to go to get a new blind, like a pull down blind for one of our windows. This one is broken. I accidentally broke it, so we have to go get a new one. And then we want to go grocery shopping. I thought I could show you guys that. And then I've also gotten the new iPhone, which is really exciting. So I want to test it out today using my old camera or my old iPhone with the new iPhone. So we'll see if there's a difference there. And other than that, it's going to be a pretty kind of chill but sometimes busy weekend because we do also have some work that we have to get done. But yeah, I will take you guys along. So we are now at IKEA. These are the bins that we need for our office.
Now let's see if she stops at the greenery. Mom, she always stops here. Alright, here she is.
I love this one. We have this in our office.
Yeah.
A lot of you guys asked me where our plants at home are from, and we actually have 3 of these in our apartment, and they're just from IKEA. They are 20 euros, not very expensive, and they last a really, really long time. They're very durable, so I would recommend these. They're called peace lilies.
So guys, check or?
First one check.
First one check.
We still need blinds. Window blinds. Alright, we found the blind.
Behind the scenes.
Guys, we are back from the supermarket, and these are the items that we got this time. I love to have apples and pears and fruits like this for snacks between meals. Especially apples this time of year are really, really good. Spinach is really great for putting into salads or putting into dishes that you do like on the stove. So you could put this with some quinoa, some eggs, and it's really, really delicious. Of course, cucumbers are so good, and they're so good for you, so good for the skin. They're very, very hydrating, and they've got lots of good minerals and vitamins. Mushrooms are a really great thing to put into stir fries with different vegetables, or even in salads as well. We've got some eggs. I love avocados so much. They are a great source of healthy fats and good omegas. And then broccoli as well. Cruciferous vegetables like this are really, really good for your body, for your blood, for your heart. Really rich in different vitamins and minerals, and they're just really easy to steam up. I don't like them to be super mushy, but you know, just like still a little bit crunchy. I think it's really nice again with quinoa, with rice, with pasta even. Over here we've got some plant-based yogurt. These ones over here are made from coconut milk, and this is the dark berry flavor. They are really, really good. Then we've got some quinoa. This is a tri-colored quinoa mix. Oats. I have oats almost every single morning. Either I have oats or I have eggs, but oats are just such a staple as well. I like to make it with cinnamon, cardamom, vanilla. I put some honey inside and some frozen raspberries, and it's just a really quick and easy breakfast, but super healthy and filling, and lots of good fiber in here as well. Then I've got some tomato sauce. This is of course really nice for pasta dishes, but also again for the quinoa, for rice, rice, any like veggie dishes. Then back here we've got a frozen organic vegan pizza. We don't normally buy this, but today it's Saturday and we were kind of in the mood for this for dinner tonight. So this is a pizza without any cheese. It's just got tomato sauce and different vegetables on top, as you can see there, and it is organic as well, which is great. Moving along, we've got some guacamole. This is the first time that I've ever bought this, so I don't know if it's good, but Mo insisted and he really wanted this, so hopefully it's going to be good. Then we've got some hummus as well. I love hummus, especially with these types of corn cakes. These are some organic corn cakes. Then we've got some plant-based milk. You guys know that I don't eat any dairy because it makes my skin go crazy, so I like to stay away from it. And this is an oat and almond mixed milk, and it's not sweetened or anything like that. It's just very pure ingredients, so I really love this one. Plus it is organic, which is great. And then lastly, some green tea. I love to drink this during the day. I do like coffee sometimes, but I'm more into tea, and this is the one that I usually go for. It is the next day. So yesterday I mentioned that I got the new iPhone. This is what it looks like. It is very, very nice. And I actually use the iPhone to take most of my photos for my Instagram account. So if you've ever wondered what camera I use for my Instagram pictures, it's mostly the iPhone. So I wanted to upgrade to this phone because I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually dropped this phone and it has a huge crack here down the center. I do have a protective glass screen on top of this, but it was such a bad fall, and I think it cracked right here where the protection doesn't reach, and then unfortunately it just broke the phone. And to repair this, it would have cost almost half the price of a new iPhone. So I just waited for the new iPhone to come out, and now I got the new one. So there are some cool features about this that I want to talk to you guys about. And also we did do a photo comparison test yesterday when we were out at lunch that I want to show you guys, and there is a pretty big difference, which I think is really cool. So this is the new case that I got for my iPhone 11. It is a beautiful mirrored case. It is so stunning and it feels so high quality, and it's super convenient when you're out on the go. If you want to check your hair or your lipstick or something like that, you don't need to carry an extra mirror. It's just very like convenient two-in-one, and it's actually like a real mirror. It's not blurred or distorted in any way. It's a very true mirror, so it's really, really nice. So this is from a brand called Casetify. You can see their logo right there, and what I absolutely love is that they're not only really beautiful, but they're very protective as well. So this has got a military grade drop protection, which means that you can drop your phone from up to 6 feet, which is about 2 meters, and your phone is still going to be fine. And they have thousands of different designs to choose from. They've done collaborations with really great artists and designers. Plus, you can actually customize your case as well. So you can add different texts and different colors. And they were so kind to send this phone case to me. And they're also offering you guys 20% off. So you can go to casetify.com/AnnieJaffrey and you can get 20% off this case or any other case on their website. So I will have this information below in the description box as well. So now I want to show you guys the photo difference between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone X, or the iPhone 10, which is the camera that I was taking all my photos on before. So I will pop up the two photos right here next to one another, and you can see that there's quite a big difference. So on the new iPhone, on the iPhone 11, it's a lot more brighter, and it has, I feel like, a more true to reality color and lighting. The iPhone X is still really good, but you can see it's a little bit more darker and has a little bit more of a contrast to the photo. And a big difference between the two phones is that the iPhone 11 has now a more pixelated front-facing camera. So I believe on this one it has 7 megapixels on the front-facing camera, and on this one it's now 12. So it's the same as on the other side. This also has an ultra wide angle lens, which I think will be really interesting for vlogging. But again, the main thing that I use my iPhone for is for my Instagram photos. So again, here is the before and after. I think the difference is pretty crazy. Now, of course, you can always edit the iPhone 10 photo to be a little bit more brighter and to have that artistic look that the iPhone 11 has. So there are always, you know, ways around that to make it work. But if you have been thinking about the new iPhone, I think the camera is really, really good. It's kind of crazy how they're able to just fit such a high quality camera into such a small case, plus have it be a phone as well and a mirror. I mean, that's like 3 things in one. I did watch a really interesting video where they compared the iPhone 11 with the iPhone X and the iPhone XS, and it's a really in-depth and a great review on the 3 cameras. If you guys want to check that out and have more like technical details and a better comparison of the 3 cameras, if you have been thinking about it, I will have the link for that video down below, and there you can get lots more details. All right guys, I'm sitting here with Mo. We are super excited to announce that we're going to be doing a meetup very soon. We will be going to Dubai in about a week. We'll be there in a week. So our first one is going to be in Dubai, but we also want to keep doing these meetups when we travel to different cities.
We are really excited to see you guys, and yeah, the first meetup is in Dubai.
We also opened a Facebook group, which is really exciting. We've been thinking about doing this for a really long time, and we wanted it to be a place for you guys to connect with one another. Something that I kept hearing from you guys when I met you in person was that you guys wished that there was more people in your friend groups that were also into like health and wellness and personal development and just positive people. So we wanted to create a space where we could bring all of you guys together, and we would love for you to interact with one another and share maybe where you're from, and maybe you could meet, you know, local people in your own cities. And we'll also be sharing the information about the events that we're going to be doing on the Facebook group, and then you guys can tell us if you are attending or not, and then this way we can kind of gauge a better idea of how many people will be there, if we should then rent a venue or something like that, or if we should just do it, you know, outside. We're gonna leave the information for the Facebook group down below in the description box, and we would love for you guys to join.
I think that's a pretty cool thing. So guys, I hope you're excited as we are. I think we're also very excited to do that, and it's gonna be our first time together, guys, okay? So please don't overwhelm me because I'm not used to that stuff. No, I'm kidding. I'm super excited to see you guys.
Yeah, we really are. The information for the group will be down below in the description box. And as I have Mo here, I thought it could be fun to include him in a little unboxing. I've gotten some new packages and...
Man clothes?
No men's clothes. I'm gonna bring all of them.
One.
So these are some of the packages. I have removed them from their initial box, but I have not looked inside yet.
So I saw this one is from Cold Beauty.
Let me see. Ta-da! Ooh, it's Patrick Ta. They're now carrying Patrick Ta at Cult Beauty. I'm so excited for you to try my first collection. I hope you love it as much as I do. Get ready to glow.
Beautiful package.
Yeah, the packaging is beautiful. This is the Major Glow Highlight Mist for the face. If I'm not mistaken, this is like an aerosol. I think I've seen this on social media as like a spray, yeah. Spray can highlighter. You see? That is beautiful.
Really like that.
It smells very minty.
The whole collection is like literally in one color. It looks very nice.
Yeah.
Looks sophisticated.
Thank you so much to Cult Beauty and Patrick Ta. Also from Cult Beauty, this is one of the biggest packages I have received in a while. This is their advent calendar. This is the first year that they're doing an advent calendar. And look at how beautiful that box is, right? And it is humongous. Well, we can't open all the dates, of course, but we can, or maybe I'll just do like this.
No, we should open them all. No. This is how we used to do that. Literally 3 days later, it was already empty.
Wow, that is so pretty, right? The design.
It looks very pretty.
Wow, that is so cool. Okay, should we just peek at one? Let's open this one. Ooh, it's the Alpha H Liquid Gold Exfoliant. This is a toner with AHAs and BHAs. So thank you so much to Cult Beauty for this. This next package is from Kate Somerville. They make some of my favorite cleansers actually. So this is a package of all of their products for acne prone skin. And I really love their Sulfur Cleanser, which I think is this one, yeah. You guys have heard me talking about this cleanser for so long. It's this pink one. I absolutely love it. And I also really like her daily detox cleanser as well. The one in the white bottle is really good. Thank you so much to Kate Somerville for that.
This is the next package and it is from
Morphe.
And it looks like this. Right, there's a book inside.
Fierce by Nature. There's a book inside.
There's a book inside.
This is an eyeshadow palette.
It looked like a book.
Wow, those are beautiful.
It's a big palette.
Very big palette. It's really nice. And these are their
lip glosses or
Natural Born Stunner 5-piece lip gloss collection. Looks like this.
Last but not least,
we've got a package from
Too Faced. They have always so exciting packaging, you know? Okay.
Oh, it smells very fruity. Oh, we've got their new face and eye palette. This is called Watermelon Slice. This side over here is an eyeshadow palette, and then here is a highlight, blush, and bronzer. And these are magnetic, so they actually just like pop together like that. We've also got a watermelon candy finish lip gloss and a mascara. This is their Better Than Sex mascara.
Is this even possible?
So this, I believe, is their original formula, but just repackaged in this fun kind of fruity pink packaging, which is really cute. So that concludes our unboxing.
I think I did pretty good here. I was sitting very calm.
Round of applause for Mo. So we're now gonna go do some work and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. So we have just finished up dinner and we were craving something sweet and we thought we would make some ice cream. These are frozen bananas and this is actually going to be called a nice cream because it's not made with any dairy, but it tastes really, really good. So I've just popped in some frozen bananas into my Vitamix. I've also put in some cinnamon, some vanilla extract, and some coconut, which is that white stuff on top. After a little blending, it looks like this. How cool is that? It's like real ice cream, you guys. Yummy. And here are our ice creams. So good. We've topped them with some walnuts, some chia seeds and hemp seeds, and then Mo has some cheeky Nutella on his healthier version of Nutella, but that looks really, really good.
So guys, I'm gonna eat this now.
Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye!